dries out, I can't hold myself to pick it like this.
How are you?
Not
Yes,
good, not at
finally.
all.
And why is that? Why are you not good? I hope that you're
Because
not
of
angry
you.
with me.
Yes,
I'm
I
so
am angry
sorry.
with you.
I'm
I
very
am angry
sorry.
with you, and you must get some punishment, I guess, for it.
Yeah, I'll accept any
Or
punishment, but I'm very sorry, very, very, very sorry, and I'm very sorry for missing your last session. I don't know, the app was not working at all on my phone yesterday. I texted Clapingo as soon as possible, but like they did not get it was not able. I was not able to get it fixed in time. So I was not able to
okay,
attend any sessions yesterday. And trust me, I had sessions from 8 to 11 yesterday. 3 hours of sessions I had to miss.
and you missed all sessions. Don't tell me.
Yeah, yes, I could not do anything. I was outside and I did not have any other device. Look, when I'm at my home, it's fine. I can access it from another device. But when I'm staying with my friends at their PG, I cannot access any other device. So that's difficult for me.
Actually, Mantavya is still, I mean, you are audible, but you are not visible and right now,
Okay.
yeah. I mean,
Is
you
it
are
working
visible,
fine now?
but there is a blur. Yes. Yes. Right now, it's okay, I guess.
It's better.
I can
Yeah.
manage, I guess. Yes, it's better.
Okay. I
Actually,
can see
even
you perfectly.
I was.
Hmm.
Oh, okay. I think
Yeah.
my internet is side.
Yes, of course. I think it's from my side. I don't know. I have been facing so many problems. I think I'll have to stop taking sessions for some days. Like if this problem pertains, I'll have to cancel my sessions for the week, and I'll see. Like I'll get it fixed. Don't worry. I'll try to get it fixed as soon as possible.
Even let me share my story.
Uh-huh.
So
Yeah.
I booked sessions thrice, and that Garba and Puja was not in my mind at that time. But
Uh-huh.
yesterday in the morning, I mean, I was thinking to cancel the session, but I was again thinking that maybe it would go wrong. It would go wrong. So then I asked Clapingo that can I do this? Can I have this privilege? So they told me, yes, you can cancel 2 sessions. So I canceled 2 sessions with you, but still
I
one
saw
session
that.
was there. And
I saw that.
I was ready. I was doing Garba, and then I just came for this session,
Oh my
in between.
God. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry you had to miss Garba for taking a session. I'm so sorry for that. Trust me, if I did not have sessions yesterday, I would also be doing Garba. I would have been doing that too. But I could not.
Oh
So
my God! I think we both were busy on Garba, I guess.
exactly. Absolutely. Okay.
Okay,
Yes. So let's
it's okay,
start
no
now.
problem. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So how have you been? How was your day today? How did your day go?
Day was good, quite hectic. I mean, I was running. I could say I was running and errands. I learned this phrase recently, and I have used it twice throughout the session. So I'm repeating it over and over again so that I can
It's good.
register in
It's
my
good.
head.
That's nice. That's actually a good technique that you're doing it. You're using it as the best way to remember it. So that's nice. Okay. So now
Yeah.
what would you like to talk about? I know that we are not definitely not going to discuss the topic. So I'm pretty sure that you're ready with the topic. So what would you like to discuss today?
No, today I don't have any topic. So I just want to put
Oh,
the ball in your court, and you should come with the topic. But be
okay. So the
careful.
balls and mics are there.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
see then. I think we should talk about some festivals today because the festival season it has been going on for a long
Yes,
time.
yes.
Right now, Navratri is going on. After some time, it'll be Dussehra and Diwali. So let's talk about
Yes.
festivals today. Right?
Yes, no problem. I'm ready.
Okay, that's nice. So, which is your favorite festival? Which festival do you like the most?
If you ask me, I think Diwali will be the most liked festival from my side.
Okay, and why is
Diwali,
that? What
yes.
do you like about Diwali?
Yes. Diwali means everything: crackers, fun, enjoy with family, friends, sweets, diyas, rangolis, and so many things. And cleaning the house also, this is a very important part of this festival. And
Yeah,
decorating the house.
exactly. Okay,
So
so
there are lots of things.
be very, very honest. Do you like the cleaning part in Diwali or do you not like it?
Actually, that part gives me a kind of, vibes that, okay, the festival is coming. Okay. And we are
Ah,
preparing for the festival. So that's why I
okay.
like this part, I guess. I like this part.
Okay. I think I can understand why you like it, but I definitely do not like it. Okay, I get it
Yes,
that
yes.
yeah, it gives the sense of everything that Diwali is coming and we'll be getting sweets and everything. But when my mom makes me, like wipe up the cobwebs on the ceilings, it's not at all likable. Okay, it's very frustrating. So,
I think you
so okay.
boys are quite reluctant to do such household chores. Not
If I
reluctant, they
if I
don't want to do.
I do not want to do it at all. Trust me, if you like see my wardrobe right now, every day I get scolded for it. That it's such a big mess that I don't even know what I'm wearing. I just put my hand in and whatever comes out, I wear that.
Oh my God,
Okay,
I
so
don't know why
definitely like
these
that.
boys are not able to understand that they should keep tidy their room, but they don't. I don't know why. And
Look,
every
I
single woman complains about it, whether they are sister, whether they are mother, whether they are wives, and there's complaints. Yes.
It's true. It's absolute. Look, I do keep my room clean. I do keep my room very tidy. Like all the things are in a very particular order. My wardrobe is the only thing that is a very big mess. Trust me, even I just found this t-shirt lying somewhere in the middle of my wardrobe. So I just picked it out and just wore it. Okay, so it's like that for me. It
And
happens every single day with me. It's nice. It's interesting. Okay, so let's talk about we were talking about festivals, right? So according to you,
mhm.
what is the best thing about celebrating festivals, be it Diwali, be it Holi? What is the best thing about these festivals?
Celebrating festivals, that means you are taking a good and quality break from your any kind of work, maybe from
Mhm.
your professional work or anything, and it provides you a kind of good vibration that you are willing to spend your time with your friends, your family members, and you are ready to be open. I'm not sure this is a correct sentence or not, but you are ready to enjoy your life, and you have that kind of
Ex-
mindset. Okay, there is no problem to take some leave because festival is
Yes,
coming
exactly.
up. Yes.
That's true. Like I've seen it. Like I'm not working right now, I'm a student. But when I see people who are working in corporate offices and their corporate jobs, they feel very happy during the festive seasons. That yeah, like now Diwali is coming, so I'll get a
Hmm.
6 day or a 7 day leave or some kind of leave, and I'll be enjoying it with my family. So it's very beautiful. And the thing is that they actually do enjoy it with the family, you know. So that's a very beautiful
Yes.
thing. But uh, putting all of
And
that
I think
apart,
even yes, yes.
yeah. So putting
Yes,
all of
please
that
Mantavya.
apart, my favorite part for festivals is definitely gonna be the sweets. I get so many sweets
Oh my
at
God.
Holi, be it Diwali, be it Holi, and
You must have
it's
sweet tooth.
I don't know what do I have, but I love sweets. Like you'll not believe
even
this. Like
even I love
my
sweet.
that's very nice. My parents apart, my brothers apart, I alone, being alone, I eat so many sweets that they cannot eat even in a month. And I eat that during the festive season.
Oh my God. So I just want to know
Yeah.
the story about stealing the sweet from the house, and from the cabinets. I think
Yeah,
it happened a lot with you, that stealing part, and
definitely.
the joy you get after eating stealing food at home.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. You're absolutely right. Like, eating sweets normally, taking it out from a box, that's a different feel. But stealing it from my mother, stealing it from my brothers and my friends, that's a whole different feeling. It's like it's very fulfilling and satisfying. You know that I accomplished my mission and
I
I
think,
got my
I mean,
sweets with me.
it adds more taste in sweets, I guess.
Exactly.
That's true.
It definitely does.
Let me tell you my story. Like, even still, I have that fondness. I used to do that in my
Okay.
childhood, and still, whenever I boil milk, so
Uh-huh.
malai is there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
on the surface, and when it dries out, I can't hold myself to pick it like this. Like, we call it ganji, and I just pick
Yeah.
in this one single, how to say, step
Motion,
or
you can say.
drop.
One single motion, you can say. Yeah.
Yes, one single motion, and just drop it into my mouth. So, are you getting what I'm trying to say? Like, I
Yeah, I
pick
do.
that dry malai from the ganji, from the utensil, okay, and just drop into my mouth, okay, and
Trust
I feel
me.
like, oh wow.
I've already had my dinner. I'm so full right now, but listening to all of this, listening and imagining about sweets and that malai, I'm feeling hungry again. You know, I just
Oh my
trust me,
god.
this session is gonna get over and I'm gonna go outside and eat something sweet. I need it now.
Okay. Oh my god, oh my
That's
god. You
yeah.
must, I mean, think in a broader perspective. If you are so you must indulge yourself into physical work first from now. I mean, yes,
Yeah, I'll try to do that, but first I'll eat the sweets. Then I'll see.
yes, yes. You have enough time. Just
Exactly.
chill and
Okay.
have sweets.
That's it. Okay, that's very nice. Now let's discuss the feedback because we'll run out on time. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
discussing your feedback, today's session
Mm-hmm.
was very nice. Okay, there are a lot of reasons why I'm saying this. First,
Mm-hmm.
we laughed a lot, right? You had a lot of laughs, I had a lot of laughs. This was a different thing. And why am I saying that? When there's emotion involved in communication, people do not think about this, people forget about this. But when emotion is involved, and with festivals, with the topic festivals, emotion is always going to be involved. We take a hit on our communication skills. It definitely happens. Okay, but it did not happen with your speaking skills. It was absolutely perfect. You were speaking really well. Okay, one or two things I think that you should now not worry about them, but start working towards them only, not any other thing. These are
Mm-hmm.
the only things that you need to work upon. Okay, try to practice long speeches. Okay, so that you
Mm-hmm.
can speak for a very long period of time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you should be able to speak without any break.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, look, short communications, question and answers, you can do that. I'm absolutely sure that you're able to do that. But recording a
Mm-hmm.
10-minute video or speaking for 10 minutes directly, that's something I think that you should practice now. Okay. It will
Yes,
give
yes, yes.
you, yeah, more continuity will be there. Fluency is definitely going to get there. You are already fluent, but again, the 10-minute, 15-minute speech, it's a difference. You know,
Yes.
our mind gets tired. It's still not prepared for that. Even I'm not prepared for a 10-minute, 15-minute speech right now. I'll have to take 2 or 3 days to come back into that game. Okay, I
Mm-hmm.
used to give speeches when I was back in school, but now I haven't given a speech in such a long time. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so now when I do have to give a speech, it'll be difficult for me. That's, oh my God, I forgot the words. I forgot the sentences. Okay, so the best way to practice this is through stories. Okay, trust me, stories will help you a lot. And I'm going to give you a very interesting task today. Okay, a
Yeah.
very
Oh,
interesting task.
okay. All right.
Okay,
All right.
so what you have to do, yeah. First of all, you do not have to find a topic about stories. Okay, do not find the
Mm-hmm.
titles or topics. Find out a single word. Okay, imagine any random word. For example, let's say right now guitar is in front of me. So guitar. That's the word that I'm giving
Mm-hmm.
you. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Try to come up with a story with a word. Okay. That's very
Okay. All right.
interesting. Okay. And whenever we meet
Yes.
next, I'm not telling it to you today because it's a very big step. It's a very big process that I'm giving you. But I'll definitely tell this to you in
Mm-hmm.
the next session. That's how to make up a story and how to, like, within
Mm-hmm.
seconds be able to come up with characters, with the plot, with the lesson every single time. Within seconds. Okay.
All
Right now,
right. Yes. Yes.
it
Okay.
will take some time. When you try to practice it, it will take
Yes.
about
Yes.
5 minutes, 7 minutes for you to make up a story. But when I tell you the way, you will be amazed with it. I promise you, it's a very shocking and a very new kind of a discovery that you'll find. Okay, it's very interesting, but
Oh,
not today.
not. Yeah, we can't do. Even we want, but I want, but we are running short on
Exactly.
time. As
I'm
you
I'm
told
not
me.
just restricting it because of time. There's another reason. I want you to try it out first. Okay, I want you to try out the process, the step that I've given you. Okay, a story with a word, a
Yes. Yes.
single
I
word.
will.
Okay, try to do it, and
Okay.
it'll be very helpful. And in the next session, let's see what's
Yes.
the
Yes.
feedback and what we have to move on to. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Okay.
definitely, definitely. I think even I am curious to do this activity. It will be fun, I
It's
guess.
very nice. It'll be really fun. I promise. Trust me, this is the best exercise that I know. Okay, this is the most fun and the most interesting exercise that you can ever go through. You'll enjoy it a lot. I promise you, you'll enjoy it a lot when you do it. Okay.
Yes, I'm getting that sense that okay, I will have a lot of fun because I think I can create a good story. So coming with different and insane story, and laugh will be there, and crazy
Exactly.
stories. I mean, anything could be happen. Anything could happen. So
Definitely.
yes.
That's the beauty of it. Yeah. Okay. So now I'll take your leave. Okay. The session is gonna auto cut in about 5 seconds. So let's meet in the next session now. Okay. And I'll definitely not miss your
Yes,
next
yes.
session. I promise. Okay. I'll join it from
Yes, yes.
any device I have.
Don't forget my next session.
Definitely. Definitely.
Okay.